clause where the borrower make default of payment, the finance company is authorized to take the possession.
Finance company, not the recovery agents.
But finance
And there has to be a possession lawfully by following some procedure of law. You cannot appoint a gundas like this.
दोस्तों स्वागत करते हैं आपका हमारे इस चैनल लोन असिस्ट इंडिया पे, जहां पे आपको लोन के रिगार्डिंग सारे कंटेंट देखने को मिलने वाली है। आज इस वीडियो में हम लोग देखेंगे कोर्ट का सेशन, जहां पे आपको रिकवरी एजेंट को लेकर के क्या जज ने कहा है, क्या कोर्ट में आपको सेशन चला है, क्या जजमेंट पास हुआ है। इस वीडियो में हम लोग पूरी डिटेल्स में बात करेंगे। पहले हम आपको शॉर्ट ब्रीफ दे दें, उसके बाद आपको कोर्ट सेशन दिखा देंगे, वहां से आप कोर्ट सेशन देख लीजिएगा क्या कहा जा रहा है। तो सिंपल छोटा सा बात मैं बता देता हूँ, यहाँ पे थोड़ी देर की बात है, वो सुन लीजिए आप, उसके बाद कोर्ट सेशन देख लीजिएगा। यहाँ पे ये कोर्ट ने क्या कहा है रिकवरी एजेंट को लेकर के मैं बता देता हूँ। यहाँ पे रिकवरी एजेंट को लेकर के कहा है कि अगर आप लोग ने लोन दिया है, किसी कंपनी एक्स कंपनी ने लोन दिया है और आपने वो लोन लिया है, मतलब एक्स मान लीजिए कंपनी है, वाई आप हैं, तो एक्स और वाई के बीच ही सिर्फ यहाँ पे कोई रिलेशन हो सकता है, उसके बीच आपको कोई नहीं आ सकता। कोई भी आपको कंपनी या थर्ड पार्टी कंपनी जो रिकवरी करने आती है वो हमेशा थर्ड पार्टी कंपनी ही आती है। कभी भी आपको कंपनी की तरफ से जो जिसने आपको लोन दिया है, जिससे आपने लोन लिया है, वो कभी भी आपका रिकवरी एजेंट अपने कंपनी से नहीं भेजेगी। अगर जब भी आपके घर पे रिकवरी एजेंट आए तो आप उनसे एक बार मान लीजिए कि आईडी क्या है, आप जो उस कंपनी से आए हैं उसका आईडी क्या है आपके पास। वो कभी भी आईडी आपको नहीं दिखा पाएंगे, क्योंकि वो थर्ड पार्टी कंपनी होती है, थर्ड पार्टी एजेंसी होती है। यहाँ पे क्या करती है कंपनी सब, यहाँ पे थर्ड पार्टी आपके सिटी में, वो सब तो जरूरी नहीं है कि हर सिटी में उनका ऑफिस हो। यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि वो अगर आप लोग को लोन दिया तो आप लोग से एड्रेस लिया होगा, उस एड्रेस के पास जो भी थर्ड पार्टी कंपनी है जो लोन रिकवरी करती है वो सबको आपका डेटा भेजेंगी और वहां से उन लोग को कमीशन देंगे। अगर आप लोग ने लोन उनको दे दिया, मतलब लोन पेमेंट कर दिया, तो उनको कमीशन मिलता है। सिंपल ये बात है। यहाँ पे उनका कोई रोल नहीं होता है, लोन का जब आपको मिलता है तो उनका कोई रोल नहीं होता। तो इस बात को लेकर के ये कोर्ट ने ये जजमेंट दिया है कि जो रिकवरी एजेंट होता है वो हमेशा आपको इलीगल होता है। कभी भी लीगली आपको रिकवरी एजेंट नहीं भेज सकते, ये चाहे वो हो सिक्योर्ड लोन की बात या हो अनसिक्योर्ड लोन की बात। तो यहाँ पे हम लोग बात करेंगे, चलिए देख लेते हैं। अगर आपको पूरी जानकारी चाहिए तो स्टार्टिंग से लेके एंड तक जरूर वीडियो देखिए, और अगर कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होती है तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में आके बताइए, हम लोग उसके रिलेटेड जितने भी आपकी प्रॉब्लम है उसका बेस्ट सॉल्यूशन लेकर के आएंगे। तो चलिए, अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा।
नाम नहीं होकर चला।
So you are the employee of
agency, recovery
agency.
Please, my lord. If my lord see the averments of the FIR, as there is not a single allegation of forceful recovery on last date of hearing. My lord may see the allegation.
You can't recover forceful or.
But what he is saying, he was very much present in the car itself. Videography was done. That videography was shown.
Under what authority or law you are recovering the vehicle like this?
We are authorized by the finance company.
Let us see.
Please. First, may I read the averments in the FIR?
You will have to file a suit for recovery if you are.
There is
in execution you can file
in a loan agreement.
You can agree whatever you want to.
There is a clause where the borrower make default of payment, the finance company is authorized to take the possession.
Finance company, not the recovery agents.
But finance
and there has to be a possession lawfully by following some procedure of law. You cannot appoint a gundas like this. Completely, this is under the head of these agreements.
But the FIR is for 406 and 420.
Whatever you face it.
The alleged against these two applicants are that they had shown themselves as
you disburse loan on the target basis. When it comes to recovery, you are assigning to the persons like this. Go and approach the court.
You make a default of 3 installments.
This agreement is made between you and between the
borrower,
financer and the borrower.
Yes, then
the final has to approach the court. He is approaching you. भैया अपनी vehicle खींच लो.
They had engaged the recovery agency for that
Can you
purpose.
engage that? Can you engage that? If you are engaging them for all illegal steps, you are responsible for them. कि कोई लाखों मारे तो तुम्हारी जवाबदारी.
But here, it is not a case of forceful recovery of the vehicle.
It has to be forceful. It has to be forceful.
And the
Nobody would give law ले जाओ.
immediately on the same day, the videography was sent by e-post to the concerned police station. The statement of employee of finance company was also recorded by this
Now,
police
show me the
station.
agreement between the financing company and you.
That I have annexed with the petition.
Where is that?
Please. Page 18.
Yes.
Look, this is the certified copy. It is attested.
Yes, that's okay.
Please, ma'am. This is attested. This is the agreement between the finance company and the recovery agency, my lord. On page 20, it relevant.
Have you informed jurisdictional police station?
Immediately on the same day. That is
Before
also,
that?
that is also I have annexed. my lord.
Before taking steps.
Not before.
You
but-
are supposed to do it that before taking steps. Page 19. Both prior and consequent. You are supposed to inform jurisdictional police station. Where is that? This is all.
My lord, I have annexed the e-post message, page 25.
Page 20.
25.
Yes.
This is the information given to the concerned police station on 14th of July
Post
2000.
possession.
Post.
Where is pre-possession?
So there are two documents, my lord, page 25 and 26. Prepossession, 26 is a prepossession.
Yes.
Intimation to the police station.
Yes.
Page 26. Before taking possession also we inform the concerned police station. If my lord may see, pre-possession intimation to police station. Thereafter, page 20.
No, you say that we have taken the possession of the said vehicle. The stereotype.
But this is informed prior to recovery. And there
When recovery took place. When recovery took place.
on 14th of July.
So on the same date,
Same
14
day.
July, 14 July, pre-possession and post possession.
Therefore, before taking possession, we have to inform them.
Before taking
thereafter-
possession, you have to inform that, but in that later you read it. What have you written? Page 26 is the pre-possession notice.
Please, my lord.
We have already taken the possession of the vehicle. Only the heading changed by you, just to comply with that formalities.
Yes, sir, there is no time.
Pursuant to our rights of the above said loan agreement, we have taken possession. This can't be pre-possession. You says we have already taken. And if you see page 25,
If my lord may
I have my own doubts क्या तुमने पुलिस से पहुंची है कभी नहीं.
message has been sent successfully. It is the endorsement on the top. If my lord may see the timing of this message, bottom, the date is mentioned for 7/14/2020.
These are all question of evidence.
350.
I will not look at.
My lord, may kindly consider the averments in the FIR and the procedure adopted by the recovery agency. As such, this is not a case of forceful recovery of the vehicle, but
What is in accordance with law? What is in accordance with law?
my lord,
What is defined in accordance with law by of this agreement?
we have to inform the concerned police station before taking possession.
That is in
That
accordance
is-
with law.
and-
What police will do?
This,
What has police to do with?
but this is a case of recovery of a vehicle in a peaceful manner. I
No,
admit that. Where
that is a question of evidence. Let it be investigated. Now police will investigate. Police will consider whether in accordance with law you did it or not. Police will check his register. कि તમે pre possession notice આપી છે, post possession notice આપી છે. Like police will do it everything now.
today, since the police
You can't withdraw anybody's vehicle like this. You have a remedy available. Your borrower rather, your principal.
we have repossessed after following due procedure as per
What is
the
legal procedure law? Explain. But let's
That is-
show.
It is not that.
Intimation to a police assuming that you have intimated. That is also not accordance with law. What police has to do with all these things?
The police was informed at 3 o'clock in the noon, and the possession was taken thereafter. And the other message which is sent, that is
No, sir, no.
at 5 o'clock after taking possession, my lord.
You can't engage.
And after taking possession of the vehicle, we had parked this car at a parking slot of the finance company itself. That receipt I have also annexed with this petition, page 27. It is not a case that after recovery we had gone with the vehicle on their own way, my lord. The vehicle was immediately parked in the parking slot of a finance company. That page 27. And the averments, my lord, may kindly see on page 16B. Totally false and fabricated averment after 32 hours, my lord. May I read the allegation in the FIR, my lord? My lord, let's see page 16B, what he is alleging. May I read? Page 16B, type copy of the FIR.
Yes.
ગઈકાલ તારીખ 14/7/2022 ના રોજ બપોરના 3 વાગ્યાના સુમારે હું મારી 16B
14/7.
Please,
Yes.
14. ગઈકાલ તારીખ 14/7/2022 ના રોજ બપોરના 3 વાગ્યાના સુમારે હું મારી ઉપરોક્ત હોટલે હાજર હતો. તે વખતે મારી હોટલ ખાતે બે વ્યક્તિઓ આવેલા અને ગાડીઓ સીઝર કરવા વાળાની ઓળખ આપી મારી ઉપરોક્ત ટાટા હેરિયર ગાડી નંબર 100 ની ચાવી હોટલના કાઉન્ટર ઉપર પડેલ હોય તે ચાવી લઈ મને કોઈ પણ નોટિસ કે કાગળ આપ્યા સિવાય મારી હોટલ
No
પાસે-
notice.
Matlab, it was he is the co-borrower. He is the father of the real borrower. Matlab, the real borrower was informed by the finance company. પાસે ઉભી રહેલ મારી ગાડી સ્પીડમાં મહેસાણા તરફ લઈ જતા રહેલા, જેથી ગાડી કાગળ આપ્યા સિવાય ગાડી લઈ જનાર તપાસ કરાવતા અને સીઝરોનો સંપર્ક કરતા યુસુફ વસૂલી સ્વયંસેના બે માણસો ગાડી સીઝ કરવા આવેલ હોવાનું જણાવેલ. તેમજ બેંકમાં ખાતરી તપાસ કરાવતા ગાડીના 2 હપ્તા બાકી હોવાની વાત કરી. મને બેંક તરફથી જણાવેલ કે ગાડી આવેલ નથી અને જો તમારી ગાડી સીઝ કરે,
એમાં અંદર 1,20,000 રૂપિયા હતા એમના.
this is the exaggerated version of the, he was very much present, the videography was done, that video clip was also sent to the concerned police station. I have shown to my
Yes,
lieutenant
Mr.
also.
I am not convinced.